The first task in Agency to Go workflow is to add your client, as most of your program data will be filed by client. First, let's make sure this client is not already entered in the database. From anywhere in the program, you can click the Find Add Client button. If you are in the middle of an unsaved entry screen, you will be prompted to save your work first. From the Find Client window, click in any of the filter fields at the top and type in any part of the name of the client you are looking for. Press Enter to search. If you find the client, you can select the row and click OK. If you need to search on additional client information, you can scroll to the right. You may want to search a couple of different ways to ensure the desired client is not in the database already. And if it is not, click the New option at the top of the search window to add a new client. Fill in the information for this new client in the Client Info window. When utilizing the program drop-downs, you can type a couple of characters of your desired selection and the list will be filtered by your entry. If the entry is not in the list, click the plus button to add a new option to the list. As you begin to populate client data in the program, keep in mind the potential for using this information for marketing, client communication, and reporting. Developing a strategy for field formatting and using care in the initial data entry can help to give you a better experience for future utilization of this data. Once you have entered the client data, click OK to save the record and you will be taken to the new client's main screen. If you need to edit any of the client information just entered, simply click the link displaying the client's name and address, and the Client Info window will appear to make and save your changes. Once the initial client has been entered, you may attach additional contact information by clicking the Other Contact Information button on the navigation bar to the left of the screen. This allows you to enter secondary contacts and email addresses. Click New to add a new record. Click Edit to edit an existing contact. The contact you have marked as primary will display in the main client information. If you are ready to switch to a different client or add another new client, make sure to save your current entries and click on the Find Add Client button again. This concludes our Adding a Client tutorial. Continue on to the next tutorial to learn how to enter a policy transaction in Agency to Go.